Nice. I'm going to go ahead and place that paper right on top of Sue there. Completely cover them up.
There you go.
So you see how this side of the screen is completely covered in that ink right there. Our goal here is to smear our printing ink through that stencil of Sue. This darker red stuff that you see is emulsion that hardened the area around the silk screen of Sue there. And it basically stencilizes them. It's you're going to be using the squeegee to spread the ink across the screen in an even layer. I'm using acrylic printing ink, which is made specifically for paper. So it actually dries pretty quick, and it's also washable off clothes and skin as well. So I'm going to get a few pulls of this ink straight across here. The goal is to really push that ink through that silk.
So you start up here and pull it down.
Yep.
Okay, ready?
And I want to make sure that you apply the pressure. Yes, that's it. All right, one more time.
Okay, can you do it again?
And there. I think that might do it.
It's yours.
And I'm going to pull it right up, see how I did. And there. Woo, perfection. And that is how you screen print Sue the T-Rex.